Hi everybody, this is Nathan Carn with you for Brinestone's second weekly video tip. This week we're actually going to go over the grab tool and the different ways you can use that to do different kinds of screen captures. So let's start this off by actually locating where the grab utility is. So what you can do is you can go and you can open up Finder, and go into your applications folder, scroll to the bottom and you'll find your utilities folder. Now when you open that up, you'll notice that your grab tool is located right there. When you select your grab tool, you'll notice that it doesn't actually open up its own window. So what you'll see is you have your different options up here. So you have your preferences where you can actually go in and you can change your cursor style, and you can also enable or disable sound. So that's going to be the sound that plays when you do your actual screenshot. If you go over here to capture, you can capture selection, a window, a screen, or time screen. Let's start with selection. So you'll see the dialog box that pops up, and it gives you the instructions of drag over the portion of the screen you want to capture. Now what's really amazing is that that window doesn't get captured in the screen capture. And as you can see, it's going to open up a little preview option for you. So that's the image that I just took, and what we can actually do is we can go in, we can save it, we can print it, we can duplicate it, or we can actually go through and copy it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to close it out. I'm not going to save it. Now the next part that's really cool is when you go up to capture again, you can do to capture a window. So if you select capture a window, it brings up the dialog box that shows you when the window you want is ready. Click choose window and then click the window to capture it. So this actually allows you to go through and open whatever window it is that you would like to get a capture of, and then all you have to do once it's all set is do choose window and then select the window, and as you can see, it just gave us an amazing screenshot of my utilities folder window. And again, I'm just going to close it without saving. So the next feature to the grab utility is actually to do your entire screen. So all you do is select, and it'll again bring up that dialog box that gives you the instructions on how to use it. So what you can actually do is just click anywhere, and it'll give you a full screenshot. So the next part that I wanted to show you that was really awesome was go to capture. You can do a time screen capture. So what this allows you to do is actually you can click the start timer, and it actually allows you to go through and get all your drop down menus in case you need to actually create a document showing somebody on how to actually go through and use different applications, or how to go through and change certain settings. This would actually allow you to set that timer and then go through and get all your drop downs set up. That way they'll actually see what it is that you're talking about. And you start timer, and you can go through your whole setup, and as you can see, it's actually counting down. And there you go. There's your screen capture. Let's blow this up so you can see it. And that, ladies and gents, is grab utility tool in a nutshell. So hopefully I'll see you back next week when I talk about time and relative dimension in space. This is Nathan Curran signing off.